is the biggest responsibility for a leader? That is to give the market a vision. Tell the market what is happening, how it is happening, help them wrap their minds around them, and then guide them through that journey. And that starts with the customer. So let's spend a moment in the minds of these customers, whoever they are, whichever industry, whatever level, from a network admin to a CXO, they all are trying to grapple with this post-pandemic world. A world that has fundamentally changed. Why? Because the needs of the people have changed. You, me, all of us, we are living lives differently. We shop differently. We go to school or educate differently. We get healthcare differently. We go and get services from our government differently. We live differently. And therefore, every business out there must change to cater to this demands, this change in demands. And what are they grappling with today? Whoever you are, you're thinking, well, now I need to reach my customers, my patients, my students, my workers. I need to reach them wherever they are. I need to make sure that I can provide them experience wherever they are, which is very similar to if they were in the office or in the hospital, in the clinic, in the school, in an office. That is what is top of the mind. And you're thinking, how do I do this? How do I scale? Not just scale my network, but scale my team, scale my talent, scale my processes. This is the context. This is the surroundings in which a leader like Extreme has to come forward, give a vision, and then show the path. But guess what? These are not the only things that are challenging the customer, because there are other things that have always been there. For example, there always been too much technology, which is too confusing. A lot of customers essentially say that, yeah, you show me a slide, if I could magically switch to that slide tomorrow, everything would be great, but I can't do that. Why? Because I have my own constraints in people, in time, in talent. And then eventually the quintessential question, is it all safe? So what are we doing as leaders? We, first of all, give our commitment, always have, always will, to our customers that we are reducing complexity. We will give them solutions that bring them to their outcomes in their way, at their pace, and we deliver trust. But in this post-pandemic world, the vision to help wrap our minds around it, help their minds wrap around the situation, that vision is the vision of Infinite Enterprise. 3 outcomes that all of us need to deliver. Number 1, we have to be consumer-centric. Why? Because whoever we are, our consumers are changing, therefore we have to change. And we have to learn why they're changing, what their change requirements are, and act on that. The second is our users, our consumers, our customers, they're all distributed. Our students, our patients, they're distributed. So we need to reach that level of distribution. We need to make our enterprises infinitely distributed, and we have to do it at scale. Not just the scale of the network, but scale of the team, scale of the talent, and so forth. Now, this whole thing is our vision and our commitment. And yes, there are others who are saying something similar or some portions of it. But once you have something to say crisply and then deliver it with proof points, that's what makes you the leader. So this Infinite Enterprise, while it is a journey towards their outcomes for our customer, this is our North Star. Every investment that we make, everything that we do, every new resource that we bring in, it is meant towards that North Star.